A vector diagram below shows the momentum of car A, mass of 2000 kilograms, which is traveling to the right before and after a head-on collision with a stationary car B. The collision lasted 0.5 seconds. After the collision, car B moves to the right with a speed of 20 meters per second. Now, here we are given a vector diagram which tells us about the motion of car A before and after the collision, not for car B. So, bathi lana-ke, car A ubeya kwa-right. Mhlambe nje singabhala nje sibe nakho emqondweni. Car B yena ubeyimele. After the collision, car A uqhubekile waya kwa-right. So, car B asimazi wenze njani. So, u-A, u-B, u-A, u-B. U-A ubeya kwa-right. Lo initially ubeyimele bazoshayiswa u-A, but u-A uqhubekile waya kwa-right. So sinikezwe i-initial momentum for A, sanikezwa i-final momentum for bani? For u-A. Ukhumbule i-momentum u-mv. So sinikezwe lento le in terms of a vector diagram for information kabani? Ka-A. Okwa-B, sitsheniwe ukuthi u-B after the collision uyakwa-right and uhamba nge-velocity of 20 meters per second. So, i-velocity ka-car B leyo after the collision with car A. Khumbule initial u-B ubeyimele, final u-B useyahamba, uhamba ngo-20 meters per second. Now, u-A lokhu ehambe nje kusukela ekuqaleni. And i-momentum yakhe siyayazi u-30,000 initial, final momentum u-10,000 kilograms meters per second. Now, i-question isithini-ke ku-5.1 ithi, state the principle of conservation of linear momentum in weights. Ithini-ke? Total linear momentum of an isolated system remain constant. Usho kanjalo nawuchaza the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Now 5.2, 5.2 calculate the velocity of car A before the collision. So kulula-ke, mawufuna ucalculate velocity kulula. You say khumbule for A sinikezwe momentum yakhe. So uzosebenzisa momentum ka-A. Initial before a collision. So initial momentum is equal to mv. Initial momentum 30,000. Imass ka-A sinikeziwe u-2000. So sifuna i-velocity ka-A initial. So wenza njalo ukudivida nge-mass on both sides. I-velocity V initial for A sokuba 30,000 divided by 2,000. Uzosikhipela kami? Uzosikhipela u-15 meters per second. Now, sebefuna i-mass of car B. Khumbula asiyazi i-mass ka B. Asiyazi i-mass ka B. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi akukho la khona lama objects omabili esihamba ngokuhlangana, ahamba ngokuhlukana omabili before and after noma omunye emile. So sebenzisa nansi formula. Initial momentous is equal to final momentous. So lana soba ne-momentum ka-A initial plus i-momentum ka-B initial. I-momentum ka-A final plus i-momentum kabani? Ka-B final. Now, i-momentum ka-A asikho isidingo sokuthi siyishintshe la, kodwa u-B singamvula ngoba sifuna i-mass yakhe mv. So lo simnikezwe in terms of momentum, asikho isidingo sokuthi simvule, kodwa loyana singamvula ngoba sifuna ini? I-mass yakhe. Lo simnikeziwe, singa-complicate izinto, siqale phansi sihlupheke, sifuna i-velocity sibe sinikezwe i-momentum vele. So 30,000 for i-momentum ka-A initial. So i-mass ka-B initial, u-B umile sitimes ngo-0. Momentum ka-A 10,000 final plus i-mass sifuna yona, i-velocity sitsheniwe. Khumbuleke siya kwa-right, kufanele si-choose i-direction kuya kwa-right ku-positive, ngakho sofaka u-positive 20 laphaya. Nama-momentum wethu a-positive ngoba kuya kwa-right sikhethe ukuthi kunjani? Ku-positive, and aya kwa-right lama-momentum wethu. So positive 30,000, positive 10,000. So lozo sikhiphela u-0, kushuthi sizoba no-30,000 plus leya 0 minus leya 10,000. Sele no-20 M ngapha. So 30,000 minus 10,000 zoba 20,000 equal to 20 M. Then we can divide by 20 on both sides. I-mass ka-B izoba ubani? 20, 1, 2, 3 divide by 20 zoba 1,000 kilograms. So i-mass kabani leyo? Ka-trolley B. Now, bathi draw a labeled vector diagram showing the magnitude and direction of the change in momentum of car A. So fanele sikhombise i-change in momentum kabani? Ka-car A. Ukhumbuleke change in momentum. Kuthiwa the change in momentum should 30 minus 10. 30 minus 10 zoba ubani lo? U-20. So izosuka la, zizofika la, then zoba change in momentum zolingana no-20,000 kilograms meters per second. That will be the change in momentum. Now, they say calculate the magnitude of the net force that car A exerts on car B. The magnitude of the net force. Ukhumbuleke sine-formula thina esiyibiza ngokuthi i-impulse momentum equation. So singa-calculate nanoma ngayiphi object. Singa-calculate ngo-A, singa-calculate ngo-B. Mas-calculate ngo-B sosebenzisa information kabani? Ka-B. Mas-calculate ngo-A sosebenzisa information kabani? Ka-A. Okay, ake sisebenzise-ke sizame ukuyisebenzisa. Okay, information ka-A, khumbule initial velocity ka-A VA 15 meters per second. I-final velocity ka-A, ukhumbule, sothi 10,000 divided by 2,000 u-5. Final velocity ka-A u-5 meters per second. Initial velocity ka-B u-0, final velocity ubani? U-20. So kahle kahle besingayidingi leyo nto leyo. Siney'ndlela ey'ningi zokuyenza le nto le. Okay, okwamanje ngeke ngisebenzise i-momentum okwamanje. Okay, i-mass ka-B 1,000 kilograms. So ngifuna ukusebenzisa iy'ndlela ey'ninganyana zokusolve into efanayo. Sibone ukuthi sithole i-answer efanayo. So, impulse momentum equation. So, P final minus P initial. Final momentum ka-A, 10,000. Initial momentum ka-A, 30,000. Yabona siyidinga velocity. Now, the time of contact. The collision lasted, the time, the time of collision is 0,5. 0,5. Collision yethu ithathe isikhathi esu-0,5. Then ngapha sino minus 20,000. 0,5 ft f net divided by 0,5 divided by 0,5 f net wethu uzolingana nobani? No minus 40. Yeah, minus 40,000. No minus 40,000 newtons. Calculate the magnitude of the net force that car A exerts on car B. Car A upusha car B umusa right. So therefore F net is equal to 40,000 to the right. Noma simthole negative, ngithi besisebenzisa information ka-A, ngakho simthole negative. But i-force e-experience u-B due to A iyakwa right ngoba uzephusheka eyakwa right. Now, ake sisebenzise nansi enye. F net is equal times change in T is equal to change in momentum. Change MV M V final minus V initial. F net change in T. So sebenzisa ngo-A kuphela. So i-final i-mass ka-A u-2,000. Final velocity ka-A u-5. Initial u-15. 0,5 F net. So divide ngo-0,5 divide ngo-0,5. F net wakho fanele umthole minus 40,000 newtons. Sisebenza ngo-A lapho. So ngisebenze ngo-A ngey'ndlela ey'mbili. Nango-B ngingasebenza ngaye. Ngikukhombise ngo-B. So futhi mangifuna uku-calculate i-net force experienced by B, ngizothi F net change in T is equal to M change in V. M V final minus V initial. Change in T, F net. Now, F net change in T 0,5. Mass ka B 1,000. Final velocity ka B 20. Initial velocity to 0. So F net wethu uzolingana nobani? Kuzoba u-20 20,000 divided by 0,5 kuzoba 40,000 newtons to the right. So mesingasebenzisa ucalculator the net force nge-information ka-B. Ukhetha-ke information ka-A usebenza nga-A kuphela, initial ne-final velocity yakhona ne-mass yakhona. Uma ufuna ucalculate i-force experienced by B or A, ungasebenzisa futhi information ka-B, ubuke initial velocity ka-B, final velocity ka-B, i-mass ka-B. Isikhathi uzosebenzisa kubabili common. Still izokunikeza i-answer eyodwa, ukuthi nje kuzohluka lapha ekugcineni usuyi-interpret. Ukuthi yabo le sisebenze ngo-B siyithola i-positive, sisebenze ngo-A siyithola i-negative. But yona ekugcineni fanele uyibhale kwi-positive ngoba bafuna experience u-B. And u-B u-experience i-force emusa kuphi? Kwa-right. Now, bathi use the impulse momentum theorem to explain how an airbag which inflates between the driver and the steering wheel of a car during the corrosion protects the driver. So le question is bazoyibuza and iphendula ngendlela eyodwa efanayo. Uzokhuluma ngo-change in P ukuthi remain a constant, ukhulume ngo-change in T ukuthi we are increasing the time of contact, ukhulume ngo-F net ukuthi uzo-decrease. Khuluma nganansi formula, F net is equal to change in P over change in time. So lo remain a constant, lo increase, lo decrease. Ukhuluma ngaleyo nto le. Noma bangakhuluma ngani kule question nje yokugcina. Okay, uzosho ukuthi for constant change in momentum the time of contact increases then the net force decreases, or the net force will decrease. So uthatha wonke-ke u-3 marks wakho.